Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best acrylic model paint is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly mediums available for hobbyists and professional modelers alike, offering a vibrant palette and quick drying times that make it ideal for everything from intricate detailing on miniature figures to large-scale aircraft and vehicle replicas. Its water-based nature means easy cleanup with soap and water, reducing the hassle associated with traditional solvent-based paints, while its low odor profile makes it a pleasure to work with, even in smaller spaces. Whether you're a beginner looking to dip your toes into the world of model painting or a seasoned artist seeking a reliable and high-performance paint, acrylics offer a fantastic balance of quality, accessibility, and creative potential. Number 5. Crafts 4 All Acrylic Paint Set. Bring your creations to life with our quick-dry, non-toxic acrylic paints. Available in a variety of vivid pigments, they are perfect for any artist, beginner, or professional. Whether you're painting on canvas, models, wood, ceramics, or fabric, this versatile kit has you covered. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for all your crafting needs. Our paints are formulated for maximum brilliance and clarity, making them easy to mix and blend. Achieve effortless color transitions for stunning artwork. This art paint set includes 12 vibrant, washable colors in easy-to-use tubes, along with 3 artist brushes. Everything you need to create your next masterpiece is right here. Looking for the perfect gift? This acrylic painting set is ideal for aspiring young artists or experienced studio professionals. It's a gift that inspires creativity. What we like. This set offers vibrant, quick-drying colors perfect for various surfaces. Its easy blending formula makes it a joy to work with. If you are a beginner looking for a versatile and user-friendly paint set, this is an excellent choice to start your artistic journey. What people say. The paint has a smooth consistency and covers well. It dries quickly to a matte finish, which is great for models. The color selection is vibrant and accurate. Number 4. Crafts 4 All Acrylic Paint Set. Experience the maximum brilliance and color clarity with our acrylic paint set. Its rich viscosity makes mixing colors a breeze, perfect for any art project. Our art supplies are formulated with a non-toxic composition. This ensures they are safe for the whole family to use, giving you peace of mind. This is a complete painting set designed for artists. It includes 24 vibrant paints and 3 professional brushes, perfect for blending and creating texture. This versatile paint set can be used for a variety of projects. Whether you're painting models, ceramics, or wood, it's perfect for all your crafting needs. This canvas painting kit makes a great gift for any occasion. It's ideal for both beginners and seasoned artists, making it a special present for everyone. What we like. With 24 vivid colors and a premium, blendable consistency, this set is ideal for detailed work. The non-toxic composition ensures safety for all users. If you need a wider color selection for projects like Easter eggs or rock art, this comprehensive set is perfect for you. What people say. The paint has a smooth consistency and covers well. Dries quickly to a matte finish, perfect for miniatures. Excellent color vibrancy and good adhesion to plastic models. Number 3. ARTEZA Acrylic Paint Set 24 Colors. Unleash your creativity with 24 high-pigment acrylic paints. They produce bold, consistent shades on various surfaces, drying to a smooth, lasting finish for professional results. The high-viscosity formula allows for building texture, layering colors, and creating fine details. You'll have complete control over blending and dimension. Achieve smooth, even application with bold color on canvas, crafts, and mixed media projects. It's certified safe and cleans up easily with soap and water. Each tube is clearly labeled with color name, pigment number, and light fastness rating for precise mixing. Secure caps keep your paint fresh. Designed to inspire confidence in painters of all levels. This set makes a thoughtful holiday gift for any art enthusiast. What we like. This set features richly pigmented, high-viscosity paints that allow for excellent texture and detail. The easy-squeeze tubes with clear labeling are a dream for precise color mixing. If you are an artist who values control, texture, and professional-looking results, this is the paint for you. What people say. The paint has a smooth consistency and covers well. It dries quickly to a matte finish, which is great for models. The colors are vibrant and mix easily for custom shades. Number 2. Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor, 40 psi. Introducing the Gocheer Airbrush Kit, designed to bring your artistic visions to life with unparalleled precision and ease. Experience high-pressure spray flow for a 60% performance boost. Effortlessly achieve the perfect effect for any project with 3 adjustable air pressure settings, 25, 30, and 40 psi. Simply touch the button to fine-tune your spray. Our dual-action airbrush allows for precise control over both airflow and pigment. Regulate fluid and air with the trigger for a waste-free painting experience. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned artist, this kit is incredibly easy to master. It's ideal for a wide range of applications, from art painting to cake decoration. Enjoy a smooth and advanced painting experience thanks to the non-clogging spray gun and adjustable tailstock. Achieve finer lines and impeccable detail with ease. This kit comes with interchangeable nozzles, 0.2 mm, 0.3 mm, and 0.5 mm, allowing you to craft finer lines and tackle various projects with precision. Breathe life into your ideas effortlessly. Everything you need is in one box. This comprehensive kit includes an oil-water separator, cleaning tools, installation tools, and multiple cup sizes, ensuring you're ready to create right away. What we like. This airbrush kit offers high pressure and adjustable settings for precise control over your spray. Its dual-action design and multiple nozzle options allow for incredible detail and versatility. If you are into detailed model painting, cake decorating, or makeup application and want professional-level precision, this kit is a game-changer. What people say. The paint has a smooth consistency and covers well. Dries quickly to a matte finish, perfect for miniatures. Good pigment saturation, colors are vibrant and true to the bottle. Number 1. Transon Extra Fine Detail Paint Brushes with Organizer. Discover the Transon Extra Fine Detail Paint Brushes, your new essential tool for intricate artwork. Perfect for bringing your smallest creations to life with precision and ease. This set includes 15 meticulously crafted brushes, ideal for everything from miniature figures to detailed paintings. Achieve flawless results on models, figurines, and more. Experience exceptional versatility with premium synthetic bristles that offer great resilience. They work beautifully with acrylics, oils, gouache, and tempera paints, providing a fine, smooth finish. Explore a wide range of sizes and shapes, including liner, spotter, round, and flat styles. Whatever the detail, there's a perfect brush in this collection to match. Designed for comfort and control, the high-grade Taklon bristles and triangular handles ensure a comfortable grip. This allows for extended painting sessions without hand fatigue, enhancing your precision. Keep your tools tidy and accessible with the included pop-up stand organizer. It's designed for easy access, making your creative process seamless and efficient. This handcrafted set is an ideal gift for artists, students, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Give the gift of precision and creativity with this thoughtful and practical present. What we like. This set provides 15 extra fine detail brushes, perfect for intricate work on miniatures and models. The synthetic bristles offer great resilience, and the triangular handles ensure a comfortable grip for extended use. If you're a hobbyist or professional focused on detailed painting and need the right tools for precision, this brush set is an essential addition. What people say. The paint has a smooth consistency and covers well. Dries quickly to a matte finish, perfect for models. Good color saturation and easy to thin for airbrushing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.